Starting around the 14th of June 2023, torrential slide truly is exchanging at $11.91 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.18% in certainly most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner. Avax truly has a very complete market cap of $4,109,012,951 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $105,966,204 in a significant manner. This fundamentally makes torrential slide truly positioning at 16 in the digital money market, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023. What will torrential slide for the most part be essentially worth in 2023, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is torrential slide an excellent speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner? Will Avax cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, or so they in a real sense thought? These essentially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, showing how starting around the 14th of June 2023 torrential slide most certainly is exchanging at $11.91 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.18% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to for the most part cross a normal value level of $14.17. The normal by and large least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the truly current year ought to basically be $13.60, which basically is very critical. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $15.80 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, torrential slide cost truly is conjectured to in a real sense arrive at a flat-out most reduced cost of $10.84, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Avax cost could truly arrive at a greatest cost of $12.32 with the truly normal expected cost around $11.98, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide value estimate July 2023. The torrential slide cost for July 2023 may for the most part arrive at a very least worth of $11.76, while the greatest gauge cost really is around $12.80. The truly normal cost for Avax in every practical sense is basically anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach $12.22 in July 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Avax value conjecture August 2023. With respect to August 2023, torrential slide basically is supposed to basically arrive at an especially least value worth of $12.25, which certainly is very huge. The Avax cost could basically arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $13.41, with the for the most part normal cost around $12.71, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value figure September 2023. The very normal cost of torrential slide could sort of go to $13.09 toward the finish of September 2023 in a really significant manner. Avax could be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $13.92 with the very least expected cost of $12.52 in a huge manner. Avax value conjecture October 2023. With respect to October 2023, torrential slide truly is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of $12.90. Fundamentally further appearance how torrential slide value estimate September 2023. The truly normal cost of torrential slide could commonly go to $13.09 toward the finish of September 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Avax cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of $14.58 with the all things considered normal cost around $13.35, which all things considered is very huge. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of torrential slide especially is for the most part anticipated to explicitly arrive at an extremely normal cost of $13.75, while the coin could exchange between in every way that really matters. Limit of $15.11 and an especially least of $13.18 in a by and large huge manner. Avax value gauge December 2023. With respect to December 2023, torrential slide explicitly is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of $13.60 in a very enormous manner. The Avax cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $15.80 with the typical cost around $14.17. or so they thought. Torrential slide commonly passed value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been explicitly diminished by 0.07% and it's in every way that really matters. Current worth in an unobtrusive way. Assuming we explicitly look at the very current market cap of the Avax with yesterday, you can basically see that the market cap really is likewise down in a genuinely significant manner. Torrential slide in every practical sense is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which especially is genuinely critical. The Avax sort of is down to nearly 17.22% in the very most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for in every practical sense, past by and large couple of days. The coin could especially have areas of strength for essentially in any case. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in fundamentally momentary in an extremely significant manner. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX generally diminished by 43.914%, wiping out an astounding normal amount of $9.33 from its truly current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense, and in every way that really matters, great purchase an open door for especially fast speculation, which truly is very huge. The 90 days cost change really is near 33.04%, and the cost basically coursed from a sort of least truly normal cost of $16.54 to especially most extreme exceptionally normal cost, $18.27 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, or so they thought. Torrential slide explicitly is somewhere near 1.39%, with the by and large greatest pretty typical cost of the coin generally was around $11.78, and the extremely least especially normal cost sort of was around $11.56 in especially beyond 4 months in a for the most part enormous manner. Torrential slide value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be torrential slide exceptionally worth in 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking? The Avax cost explicitly is determined to fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $15.80 with least cost of $13.60 toward the finish of 2023. So the coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past not very many days. The coin could explicitly have serious areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in lovely present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. Torrential slides truly have a future, which sort of is genuinely critical. As far as value, torrential slide most certainly has a remarkable genuinely potential to basically arrive at new levels, which truly shows that the coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for truly past especially couple of days. The coin could especially have in every way that really matters. Solid essentials, however, we don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, momentary in a kind of significant way. It in a real sense is estimate that a VAX will increment in esteem. Extremely further appearance how the AVAX cost could really arrive at an especially greatest cost of $15.80 with the by and large normal cost around $14.17, which in every